Okay, good afternoon. Let us start initial value problem. You see, this initial value problem is necessary for finding value of arbitrary constants, so that we can get a particular solution from general solution of a differential equation, right. Let us take an example, that is dy by dx is equal to cos square y y0 is equal to pi by 4. Yes, this is CHSC exam question, CHSC question 2004. In the previous classes we have discussed about the particular solution, that is solution of a differential equation. There are two kinds, general solution and particular solution. In general solution we have a arbitrary constant. Now how we will eliminate the arbitrary constant, and let us do this. You see, by this method, variable separable, we proceed. This is dx, this is nothing, sec square y dy is equal to dx. Now integrating, this becomes this is, you know, so tan y is equal to x plus c. But you see, with this, most of the students, they are afraid of this, that they have no idea about this, how to use this in mathematics. It is very easy one. You see, this value is for independent variable, and this one is for dependent variable. Wherever you come across like this question in the differential equation, you mark like this is the independent variable, this is the dependent value of dependent variable. So you see, this is y is dependent, x is independent variable here. So how will you use this? That means when x is 0, when x is 0, value of y is equal to pi by 4. So how? Tan pi by 4 is equal to 0 plus c, that implies tan pi by 4 is 1 c. So we get the value of the arbitrary constant. So putting here in this, we get the particular solution, that implies tan y is equal to x plus 1. Answer. Okay. Now we will go to homogeneous equation. We will discuss now. Yes. We will now discuss solving of homogeneous differential equations. Let us first discuss homogeneous differential equation. It is of what type? You see, the differential equation of the form fx dy by dx is equal to fxy gxy are homogeneous functions of same degree. But how we define homogeneous function? You see, a function fxy is said to be homogeneous of degree n if f tx ty is equal to t to the power n fxy. Okay. Now we procedure is this: we put y is equal to Vx. This is the procedure. Now let us see some examples, right? You see some examples like this. X square plus xy, right? X cot inverse y by x and sin x by y. This is degree 2. You see, x square, you add this here, degree 1, it is degree 0. Yes. Now let us go to a problem. Question is this. This is a CHEC question. We will have to solve dy by dx is equal to y by x plus y square by x square, right? This question is come in the year 2004. You see, I have told you if dy by dx is given like this, let us take the LCM. You see what happens. This is yx, this is y square. Here this power of x is 2, is yx 1 added 2. So this is homogeneous. So what is the method? Let y is equal to Vx. So that implies dy by dx becomes v plus x dv by dx. That is v into dx by dx, it is 1. So because I am putting product rule here, so this becomes v plus dv by dx. Now you have to replace dy dx by this term. So this becomes v plus dv by dx is equal to, see, y is vx, x vx square by x square. So this is vx square, v square x square by x square. You take common, v plus v square by x square, that is v plus v square. So what is dv by dx is equal to v plus v square minus v is equal to v square. Now that implies dv by v square is equal to dx by method variable separable method we have adopted here, that is v to the power minus 2 dv is dx integrating. So you know this, that is v minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 is x plus c, that is v to the power minus 1 is equal to x plus c, that implies minus 1 by v is equal to x plus c. But what is v that we have taken as y is equal to vx, that implies v is equal to y by x. So this becomes minus x by y is equal to x plus c. This is the answer. You may simplify further. Oh, x is there, x dv by dx is there somewhere. I am repeating that question again, that v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus v square, that means x dv by dx is equal to v square, that is dv by v square is dx by s, that implies integrating minus 2 dv is equal to dx by x, implies minus 1 by v is ln x plus c, minus x by y ln x plus c. Now let us go to another problem. Now let us take some other type of non-homogeneous functions. This type, these are called special forms of homogeneous equations. Solving of special forms of homogeneous differential equations. This case 1 if dy by dx is equal to, what is that, ax plus by plus c by a dash x b dash y plus c, and case 2 is dy by dx is equal to ax by, right, by plus c by ax plus b dash y plus c, where a by a dash is equal to b by b dash. Here a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. There are two different cases. So, we will take two different examples problems so that it will be clear. Now, first question is dy by dx will do x plus y plus 4, x plus y plus 4 by x minus y minus 6, x minus y minus 6, right. You see, right here a is 1, b is 1, a dash is 1, b dash is minus 1. So, a by b is not equal to a dash by b dash. Here we put x is equal to capital plus H and small y is equal to capital Y plus small k. We substitute this so that our dy by dx becomes d capital Y by capital dx, because these are constants. Now, that implies d capital Y by d capital X is equal to capital X plus capital Y plus H plus k plus 4, and this one becomes x minus y plus h minus k minus 6. Yes. So, this equation, you say what I will take this A. This equation A becomes homogeneous when this equation A will be homogeneous if h plus k plus 4 is equal to 0, h minus k minus 6 is 0. We have to solve these two to find values of h and k. You know, very simple way you can solve this. H plus k is minus 4, h minus k is plus 6, you add them, 2h is equal to, 2, h is 1. So if h is 1, that implies k is equal to minus 5, right. So, we have found the value of h and k. Now, we have to proceed to solve this problem. Now, after putting these two terms 0, we get, therefore, dy by dx is equal to capital X plus capital Y by x minus y. So, that you see this is homogeneous. Now, we know for homogeneous questions we put let capital Y is equal to capital Vx. So, that implies dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now, you replace this v plus x dv by dx is equal to x plus vx by x minus vx, which is ultimately cancelling x from numerator denominator we get 1 minus v. So, that implies x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v by 1 minus v by taking this v to this side. So, LCM is 1 minus v, 1 plus v, this is minus v plus v square. So, ultimately that implies x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square by 1 minus v. Now, by the same method, by B's method, that is variable separable method. So, we get dv by 1 plus v 1 minus v is equal to dx by x, right. Which is equal to 1 minus v, 1 minus v by 1 plus v square dv is equal to dx by x, integrating. So, ultimately we will get implies 1 by 1 plus v square dv minus v by 1 plus v square dv is equal to integration dx by x. That implies, you know, this formula tan inverse b. Now, you can adjust here, multiplying 2 and dividing by 2, this dv is integration dx by x. That implies tan inverse v is equal to minus half ln, because this derivative is here, 1 derivative is 0, v square is 2v. So, this is 1 plus v square is equal to ln x. Is one thing you see, you can add here one log c or simple c, whatever you add, because constant, that does not matter. So, get the answer and put v, value of putting value of v is equal to y by x, and that we have taken x, and x is equal to what is that, x plus h, and y is equal to y plus k. But what is h? H is h capital X into 1, and this is y minus 5. Putting values of this, we get the answer. The answer will come, that is tan inverse y plus 5, y minus 5 by x plus 1, y plus 5 by x minus 1 is equal to ln root over of x minus 1 square plus y plus 5 square plus c. Now, we will go to the second case. The first case is over. Now, we will discuss a problem of second case where both the ratios are equal. Here a by a dash was not equal to b by b dash. Now, we will consider a problem where a by a dash is equal to b by b dash. That means the coefficients ratio are equal. That is case 2. Yes. That example, let us take solve dy by dx. x plus y plus 4, x plus y plus 4 by x plus y minus 6. You see here, as I have told you, this is 1 1 1 1, this is I have told you ax plus by plus c. Here I have told you a dash x plus b dash y plus c, right. But here a is 1, b is 1, a dash is 1, b dash is 1. That implies a by b is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to a dash by b dash. So this is case 2. So what you will solve? How will solve the answer? Let x plus y is equal to z. You have to put. So differentiating with respect to x, that is dx by dx plus dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. That implies dx by dx is 1, dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. So our question reduces to dy. Why? Let us write like this: dy by dx is equal to dz by dx minus 1. Let us take directly. So this will be dz by dx minus 1. This is the left hand side, because for the value of dy by dx we are putting this value. And what is the right hand side? Right hand side, because I have taken x plus y z. So this should be z plus 4. I have changed the variable, is z minus 6. So the equation is now in two variables, z and x. So applying this method, applying variable separable method, applying VS method. So let us separate these things. So dz by dx is equal to z plus 4 by z minus 6 plus 1. Ultimately this will be z minus 6, z plus 4 plus z minus 6. So this will be 2z minus 2 by z minus 6, right. So you can take 2 common here, that is z minus 1 by z minus 6. So we can take this z minus 6 by z minus 1 dz is equal to 2 dx. You can integrate this. So this is z minus 1 minus 5 by z minus 1 dz is equal to 2 integration dx. So it will ultimately implies dz, this will go z minus and minus 5 dz by z minus 1 is equal to 2 dx. So this will be z minus 5 ln z minus 1 plus 2x plus c. But what is z? We have taken x plus y, putting value of z, putting value of z is equal to x plus y, we get the answer. That implies x plus y minus 5 ln x plus y minus 1 mod plus 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 2x plus c. That is answer. You can further simplify this, doesn't matter, we will get the answer here. Now let us go to discuss at last we will discuss the linear differential equation. equation. You see, the very word linear is power 1. When the differential equation contains a dependent variable and independent variable of degree 1 and no multiplier terms, then it is called a differential equation, linear differential equation. We are interested in this kind of differential equation, which is of the form dy by dx py ks, or in this form also you can get where p, q are functions of x or constant terms. Functions of x means p, q contains only x terms or constants. Here just the reverse, where p, q are functions of y or constants, means p, q contains only y terms or constants. This is a linear in x. This equation is linear in x, and this equation is linear in y. And to the solving method is something like this. We have to first find one thing, that is integrating factor, which is called IF, whose value is like this: integration e to the power p dx. Here in this side, IF is equal to e to the power p dy. You see, here p is a function of y here, so variable is y. Here p is a function of x, so variable is x here. Now you can write the solution right directly. You just remember these steps. You are given a question, find the IF, then solution. The solution is y into IF is equal to integration q into IF dx. This is the solution. Here on this side, just remember something different. The solution is x into IF is equal to q into IF dy. Right. Now let us proceed to solve a problem. Let us proceed to solve a problem. Right. Let us take a question like this. solve dy by dx plus 1 by x y is equal to 3x. The first thing you have to find what is value of p and q in the question. Here you write, here p is equal to what? You see, I have told you, compare this question with this given equation, dy dx is here, and what is he written here? P x y, that means term containing x. So p is 1 by x, right? Y is y here, and what is qx? What is q? Q is 3x. Now we found p and q. Then what is step 1? First find integrative factor if. So we have to find if here, right? So what is if? If is e to the power integral p dx. You see, if you write a question like this, but you are unable to solve, but you can find the if, you will get 2 marks. This our step marks are given in the question plus 2 examination. So don't neglect, don't leave the questions, even if you can try to some extent. You see, e p dx, what is that? You know, 1 by x dx. What is integration of 1 by x dx? It is e to the power log x. I have told you e to the log x is x. So our integrative factor is x. Now we have find that. So what is the solution? You see, I have written here. What is the solution? Solution is like this, right? Y, you just write it. The solution is y into if is x is equal to q. What is value of q? Q is 3x into if. What is if? Is x into dx. So see how easy is this? Just remember 2 steps, find the if and just write the answer. So this becomes 3 is taken out, x square dx, that is 3 into x cube by 3 plus c. So this is x cube plus c. This is yx, but you can find like this. So y is equal to, you divide this x square plus c into x to the power minus 1. This is the answer. This is the linear equation of first type. Now I will solve a problem of this type, right? Yes. In the examination, questions are given in such a manner that students are confused. For solving the differential equation, it is of what type? You first check the question whether it is of this type or this type. Question is written like this: solve x plus 2y cube dy by dx is equal to y. बस अच्छा यार देख एमती गोटे क्वेश्चन देछि क्वेश्चन पिला माने केमती भूल करती यूसी एटा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हम से पिला कौन लिखो dy by dx इज इक्वल टू केते हला y by x plus 2y क्यूब एतिक लिखिदेला। अच्छा बर्तमान एटा ए फॉर्म रे अछि कि मुझे कही थी dy by dx प्लस px माने टर्म टे इज इक्वल टू q ए फॉर्म अच्छे कि नहीं ए टाइप रो क्वेश्चन प्रति वर्ष निश्चय पड़े बी केयरफुल डेफिनेटली दिस क्वेश्चन comes this type question comes. So you see this is not of this type and in common sense you see number of terms in the denominator of the right hand side are more than the number of terms in the numerator. So, you think of have a second thinking that is this problem of this type? How can you know? Let us change this. That is, let us take the reciprocal. What happens if you take the reciprocal? Taking reciprocal means you take 1 by of both sides. Take 1 by of both sides. You see. So, what happens? You see, that implies 1 by dy by dx is equal to 1 by y by x plus 2y cube. Let us see what happens. That happens this dx by dy is equal to x plus 2y cube by y. What happens? That is x by y plus 2y square. So, let us arrange this dx by dy minus x by y is equal to 2y square. You see, that implies dx by dy plus minus 1 by y x is equal to 2y square. Please compare this question with this of the second type category. You see, dx by dy and px and q, py, here p is what? Here p is minus 1 by y, q is 2y square. What I have told here? Where p, q are functions of y, here p, q are functions of y. What does it mean? This means p, q contains only y terms. There is no extra. So, p, q contains only y terms. So, this is case 2. Most of the time in examination, the second type question comes and the students they solve it by first method. So, they get 0. So, please be cautious. So, this is of second type. Now, we will solve the problem. I have told you here we have got p and q. So, the next, what is the next step? To find the IF, right? Yes. What is IF? I have written here IF is e to the power, right, I am writing again, IF is equal to e to the power p dy integration. What is p here? Minus 1 by y dy, right? Acha, tell me what is this? E to the power minus log y, because 1 by x, as you know, 1 by x dx is equal to ln x log by log x mod x. So, log y. अच्छा, हमें आउट फॉर्मूला जानते हैं e to the power log k is k, right? So, you see simplify this e to the power log y to the power minus 1. Why? You see, there is a formula in logarithm, log m to the power n is n log m. I am applying here the same method, right? Or you can write n log m, this is minus 1 log this is n log m to the power n, and you apply this formula here, e to the power log k is k. So, it is nothing y to the minus 1, that is 1 by y. So, our integrating factor is 1 by y. Now, the solution is here, the solution is x into if is equal to integration q into if dy. if that 1 by y. What is q here? You see, q is given here from the beginning to y square. if is 1 by y, then ty. So, this becomes y goes 2 is taken out dy, y goes 1y, 2 is taken out. So, this becomes y square by 2 plus c. So, that is y square plus c. What is that? That is x by y. So what is x is equal to y cube plus cy is the answer. Yes, is the solution of the given differential equation, right? Now let us solve another problem. You see, problem solving method, how you solve a problem. You see, question is like this: solve the differential equation dy by dx, solve dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square y is equal to x cube by 1 plus x square, x cube by 1 plus x square. Why I have given round like this? Because PQ is clear. So here this is case 1, this is linear in x. Why? Because P here, P is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, Q is equal to x cube by 1 plus x square. This is a linear in x, this differential equation. So we have found PQ. First question is to find PQ from the question. Achha. Then next step is what is IF? What is IF? I have told you, integration e p dx. So this becomes e is 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Very simple. You see, in this chapter whatever question will come, you see, very simple integration formula you have to apply, just common sense, no difficult problems. You see, 1 plus x square, what is the derivative? 1 derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x. What does it mean? I am writing the formula. You see, f dash x by fx integration dx is log fx plus c. You please see, this formula is most of the time applicable, most of the time, for finding the integrating factor. What does it mean? If the numerator is the derivative of the denominator, you see, I am repeating, if the numerator is the derivative of the denominator, the formula is logarithm of the denominator. The one is derivative is 0, x square 2x. So what will happen? It is e log 1 plus x square. Okay? If you take the derivative of log 1 plus a, you will get this. So please remember this formula. This formula is all maximum times applicable for finding the integrating factor. And also this formula also, please remember, e to the power log k is k. These two formulas are most of the time used to solve these problems. What is e to the log k is k. So what is that? This is simply 1 plus x square. We got this IF. Please remember these two formulas. Achha. Then solution is, the solution is y is equal to, sorry, y into IF is equal to q into IF into dx, right? So y into IF, what is IF? Is 1 plus x square. Achha. What is q? What is q? Yes, q is x cube by 1 plus x square into IF is 1 plus x square. You see, the question looks to be very difficult, but while we are solving this so easy. You see, this goes cancels simply. So this is very easiest chapter to fetch good marks, because this, don't neglect this differential equation, very easy, very simple. So you apply this formula here, x plus 4 by 4. So the answer here, you get the answer. So y is equal to x4 1 by 4 by 1 plus x square plus c by 1 plus x square is the answer, right? You get the answer? Yes. Another type question you just get. You take one question, dy by dx solve dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square. Yes, sorry, it's equal to x square, is equal to x square. This is the last question. With initial condition, what is that? y1 is equal to 1. This is the initial condition. Now answer. Here we write like this, dy by dx plus here what is p? P is 1 by x, q is x square. What is if? E to the power p dx. I have told you the same formula is coming, you see, e to the power p is 1 by x dx, that is e to the power, you see same formula, e to the power log x, the same formula, it is x. So if is x. So what is solution? The solution is y into if is equal to integration q into if dx. So what is that? Y into if is what? X. Yes. What is q? You have taken q is x square and if is x into dx, that is xq dx. So answer is x4 by 4 plus c. Okay. What is the initial condition is given? Given if value of x is 1, then value of y is equal to 1. Putting this value, so what? This side is 1, this side is 1 by 4 plus c. So that implies c is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So we get the value of the constant. So the particular solution is, yx is equal to x to the power 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is the answer. Thank you. We have completed the entire differential equation and I hope you have followed it properly. Thank you.